Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove duplicates in Excel table. So let's start. Open your Excel file and you can see I have data. So here I'm going to convert this data into table. Simply select the entire data. So I just drag and select here entire data. Then press the Ctrl T to convert this table. And here you can see the create table dialog box is open. Click on OK to convert this data into table. With this table design tab also here added. To remove the duplicate, go to the table design tab. In tools group, click on the remove duplicates option. And here the one dialog box is open, remove duplicates. To delete the duplicates values, select one or more values that contain duplicates. Okay. And here you can see there are two options, select all and unselect all. If you click on the unselect all, you can select here the particular column. Okay, those who want to remove the duplicate values. If you want to remove the duplicate value from all columns, so you can click on the select all. Okay, after that, click on OK, and here you see the three duplicate values found and removed. 14 unique values remain. Note that the counts may be include empty cell, space, etc. Click on OK, and that's it. So you can see your duplicates value is removed. So this is a way you can easily remove the duplicates values in Excel table. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.